Yeah, I mean, I think you know when I made the checklist, the biggest number of questions on the checklist relate to leverage, and which means that the most failures that most people had in their investments was because something went wrong with leverage. And so I think that in general, I think you need to pay a lot of attention uh, to how businesses are financed and how conservative they are on that financing. And yeah, so I think that in my case, what would happen is that the checklist would throw up all sorts of red flags in the case of a business that's highly levered. So what matters is with leverage, is it recourse, is it non-recourse, is it at the plant level or corporate level? How stable are the cash flows versus the leverage? What kind of multiples do you have on those cash flows versus your interest payments and all that? So all those things I think matters. I think being a good credit analyst is a huge advantage. So yes, I mean I think you need to pay attention, and ideally you want to look for businesses which generate these large cash flows with virtually no leverage.